What up, what up? So next I gotta put some bracing in the box, cause you know, you've seen it ain't got no bracing. I had every intention on making my own. I got metal plates out of 1/4-inch steel, burnt out for 1-inch tube, and me and Brad were gonna cut it up and make all of our own. But that sounds like a ton of work. And Brad had these right here. They won't work in this box now. They're Jim's Machine Work. Bradley got them from Papa T, and then I'm getting them from Bradley. But I needed to get 2 more. So my package just conveniently arrived today. Let's open these up. These are good braces, but there is not a lot of adjustability on them. So we have to put these all the way together, which is fine. It looks like it's got the feet. And these are a little bit different than the ones I already have. But oh well, it is what it is. I got my brackets. So my old brackets, which were from him too, are considerably bigger. Don't know what the deal is there, but got that. Got all this stuff. Let's put them together. Well, so with this bracket being so close, I'm not going to be able to get my bolt through there. So I'm going to have to assemble this, put it in there, mark where it goes, and then take it back out. So, and I'm just going to do one because the other one should be exactly the same. So let's get it in there, mark the holes, and get this thing screwed in. Daggum, that was a pain in the butt. But it's in there. Got the bracing. And my flickering lights that I gotta figure out what's going on. I guess it couldn't handle the bass. Saying I don't want it. Man, that's hitting. I like it. Woo! Just got some new edits by DJ Dirty Bass. Y'all gotta check him out. If y'all buy or listen to rebassed music and you ain't listening to DJ Dirty Bass, I suggest you do it. He is by far my favorite. I've got multiple custom rebasses from him. And if y'all ain't know, I don't listen to secular music. I only listen to Christian rap. I mean, I'll listen to some rock and stuff like that. but I only listen to Christian rap. So I've been paying for him to rebase my music because I don't listen to none of that gang, bang, bang, shoot 'em up. That was me in my old life. I'm a new man. Praise Jesus, hallelujah. So DJ Dirty Bass on his thing just started a new pack or whatever called Lows for the Lord. So check it out, man. There is some awesome stuff on there, and if you need some, hit me up. I can direct you to some wonderful artists that bang. I mean, everything I play in my truck is gonna be, well, I mean, I'm gonna say 99% of the stuff I play in my truck is Christian rap, and it slaps. So let's get it.
Perfection, a suggestion, get a Barbie.
Daggone, man, this thing is hitting.